Welcome back. Today's all about seeing clearly, pun intended, because we're going to be doing a review on these Nice CNC quick flip mirrors. Are they the ultimate ADV mirrors? Are they better than DoubleTake mirrors? You be the judge. All right, like I said, we're going to be doing a review on these Nice CNC quick flip mirrors. But I just want to say first, I've been using these mirrors for about 1,000 miles, so got some pretty good use out of them. So let's just get into the review. All right, what they actually are bar end mirrors that you can mount to your hand guards. Now these will mount to any hand guard, plastic or metal, it don't matter. All you have to do is drill 2 little 1/4-inch holes. This piece right here is actually threaded and it just bolts right on there. Now these are a Cherbis X Factor hand guards, so you got to do a few little modifications to these particular ones. I had to grind this curves real hard, so I had to grind this flat to get that to set straight up and down. Now they do set a little bit close to your hands. That's one thing I don't like with these hand guards, but that probably won't be an issue with most hand guards on the market. And one other thing I had to do was trim some of this down so I can get the adjustability out of the mirror I want. But basically I'll give you a shot back here what they look like. So they're pretty low profile, and yes, you can see everything behind you, no problem. The actual glass itself, as you can see, crystal clear. Now how these are similar to DoubleTake and what they do is they're actually quick flip, so you can go out like this, so you can actually see a little bit wider if you want to. I usually always run them like this, and this part adjusts in so you can get the clearance for off-road use. Now somebody asked the question one time, if you crash, would they smash into your hand? I highly doubt it. I dropped the bike a few times since I've had them on here, and I've never had a problem with that. But if you're in a major crash, I'm sure you're trying to get off the bike and not stay on it, and an injury to your hand may happen, but you're gonna have a lot of other injuries as well. So I don't think that's gonna be an issue. Now I want to say these are actually not the Nice CNC mirrors. I actually bought these mirrors off of Amazon. Now these have machine screws that go into a metal piece, but these are the Nice CNC mirrors themselves that come with the kit. And when you get the kit, you get the mirrors and this bracket, all this hardware you need. When I first put this one on there, as you can see, that screw's missing. Now these are Phillips head screws that are sort of like wood screws, and they go into plastic in there. Well, that's what holds your mirror adjustability. I didn't tighten or anything. I may have over tightened it, I don't know. It broke immediately. Now Nice CNC sent me a new one, but I never got to try them too much because I already had these, because I had to wait for almost a month to get it. So I just bought the new mirrors and I've been happy with them, because like I said, this is a machine screw into metal, so it's just a little bit better design. Now I don't think you'll have a problem with this. Let me drop it. You won't have a problem with this Nice CNC mirror if you're just doing normal use. I think you'll be fine. Now the kit is $49.99, so 50 bucks for the bracket and the mirrors itself. So not a bad deal. I really like them. Now, are they better than DoubleTake? In my opinion, yes. I don't like how DoubleTakes look. I think they're big and bulky. I know y'all probably tear me up in the comments for that, but because some people like them, and that's fine. I'm sure they work good. I just don't like how bulky and goofy looking they look to me, because these stock mirrors are pretty goofy and DoubleTake don't look that much better. As you can see, I mean, it has a huge difference. Now this is a much bigger mirror. Yeah, you can see a little bit more stuff, but you can see fine with these things right there. I'm dropping stuff everywhere, but you can see fine with them. I've not having any issues with them at all. One thing I can tell you on this V-strom, a lot of people have buffeting issues and wind noise issues with the stock windscreen. That's all caused by these gigantic Dumbo ear mirrors, because when I put these on there, the wind noise is pretty much eliminated. It's a much quieter ride back here, and I have zero buffeting issues, which I never really had much of that problem anyway, even with the ADV helmet, but this helped the situation a lot. But I'll give y'all another shot of these things. I said they adjustability, you know, just easy. You can go back and forth. They work pretty good. I've been pretty happy with them. Let me give y'all a front shot. This looks clean. It gives it like a dirt bike look to me. I don't know. I'm this old school dirt bike guy, and that loves ADV bikes now. But that's pretty much it. I think I covered everything. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments down below. I'll drop a link in the description for these mirrors so y'all can check them out for yourself and get all the technical information. But basically, there's bar end mirrors with mounts. Pretty simple. Pretty good design. I like them. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. Help us grow this channel. Follow along with us. And we'll see y'all in the next one.